Hi, Bruce here from Panasonic, and this is the HL-CX672. It's a versatile mid-range oven that's packed with features for home cooks who love to entertain and want accurate cooking results with no fuss cleaning. Key features for this model: it has a 78 litre capacity for cooking large meals, triple glazing on the door for efficiency and cool to touch exterior, a soft close door so it doesn't slam when you close, 11 cooking functions for greater cooking flexibility including pizza, dough proving and an eco mode. It has dual lighting so you can see more of your food inside, self-cleaning catalytic liners on the sides which burn off fat and grease while you cook, digital thermostat and controls, and a quick preheat button if you're cooking in a hurry. Extra accessories like telescopic rails for easy loading and a shallow baking tray so you can separate baking and roasting trays. Now this model is fantastic and my personal favourite of the Panasonic range. You get a lot more cooking functions and less cleaning hassle with the catalytic liner on each side. Having digital controls might take some getting used to if you're coming from an analog oven, but once you do, it's definitely the way to go, with more accurate temperature control, and you can set the timer to finish cooking as needed so you don't burn or overcook your food when you're busy doing other things in the kitchen. The telescopic rails and soft closed door also make using the oven much easier for handling too, so it's perfect for entertainers who rely on speed and accuracy in the kitchen. If I was to put a label on it, I would say it's a great value mid-range oven for people who want accurate cooking results from a manual cooking process. If you're looking for more information on the CX672, then check out Panasonic.com for a full list of specifications, or check out one of our other videos on Panasonic's built-in kitchen range for cooktops and more.